Okay, let's do some hands-on labs, and then the easy way. We are going to use Katacoda Kubernetes, and then you don't need to install anything. You just run and learn it on the browser at any time you like. So there are total number of like maybe 16 or something like this, and then all are good. So just go try some of them, and then each one like 5–10 minutes max. You look at more, takes a few more minutes. You just follow the steps, maybe 5 minutes. So let's do one simple here. This one will deploy a HTTP server, and then you will know how to do the replica, and then some basic commands. Okay. So first we need to start up the miniqueue. So you can see there running miniqueue 0.34, and then this start may take a minute or something, minute and a half, 2 minutes. And then depends on is it busy or not. If it's not busy, then probably take a couple minutes. So when it stops, then we will do the next step, okay? Okay, so you can see the miniqueue stops, so we can do the next one. We get the pods. Pretty much we don't have any application here. Okay, then we do the next step. The next step is we are going to load a HTTP server image with a replica equal to 1. We will have only one pod. Replica is pretty much the name. They say how many ports there. Okay, you can type it in yourself, or you want simple lazy, you just click on it, then it will type it for you. So you see get deployment like this, right? And then if you go to get port, you can do just PO, then they know it's port. See, there's one new port here called HTTP. Okay, and then you can describe the deployment. This is the YAML file you specify. So pretty much all the details are inside. Say, for example, I only want one desired state of the Kubernetes, one port here for the server. We will add it to, we will change it to 3 later. Then you can see the difference. Okay, then you can add a lot of different things in your YAML file, and then they will follow it. So let's go to the next steps. And then this one will expose the external port here. So we'll expose the container port 80 in the Docker image to the one in Kubernetes proxy, kuproxy, to 8,000. So people can touch it and then use port 8,000 to go there. Okay, you see here now this is this one, 2 and 6, and this is the same as this one, 2 and 6. We start earlier. Okay, so we go to the next one. We add another HTTP service, but this time we use another port 8001 instead of 8,000. Then you will see we just set another port. You want to see, then you go to get ports. Then there will be 2. You see the original one, we expose port 8000, and then this one we expose to port 8001 just with this command. Both Docker image is port 80, so that's why we do the export here, expose. And then you do get, then you see they get it from the second one. See, 76, this one, okay? Then if you get the service, you will see now we have a Kubernetes service, and then also the HTTP service, okay? And then the time is 71 seconds, port number 8000. Okay, and then we do a Docker PS, you can see like the new one, now we just expose. You just do the same Docker PS, but you do this HTTP, then you see the original one, HTTP, and the new one, HTTP expose. One is port 8000 expose, one is port 8001 expose, okay? So you can go to here, and then you can do a scaling. So what you do is now you tell Kubernetes to scale up. So instead of 1 port, we say 3 ports, okay? So here now we scale up, then you go here, you do the same, you get the port again. Then you see we have 1, 2, 3 now, okay? So if you use the Docker PS command, then you can see we have more. And then the next one is the same. Like you see we have 3, 1, 2, 3 now, okay? Then you look at the Kubernetes service, then you will see, hey, this is how we expose it, right? 8000, okay? The Docker image is 80, we expose it in Kubernetes as 8000. And then you will see different endpoints, 1, 2, 3 here, port 1, port 2, port 3, okay? Then next one, you do a curl, then you will see, hey, this one, you see, we got it from here. And see, you got it from here. You see how the load balance it? You see, it's a different port. Now we go back to another one. You see, that's how they do the load balancing. Okay, so you have 3 ports. In theory, they will load balance it for you 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 1, something like that. Okay, that's how you do the load balancing. And that's it. Congratulations. You just finished your first Kubernetes deployment and scaling up. Easy, easy. Have fun.